Dis al 3 van hulle mammies wat dood is. It's very weird and it's uncomfortable for you to see if you relate it onto your animal, to see how does it look. It looks very bad. In his mouth, his tongue there's holes in his tongue, his teeth are crumpled up. It's bad, it's looking bad. I've seen it the first time and I don't want to see it again because it doesn't look nice. So if you can avoid this thing from your animals, please do it and be careful for this disease. We're gonna bury 2 cows today with a TLB machine. I'm just waiting for the machine. The municipality help us with the machine and they dig a hole and put the animals in there and close it up. Then we know those are buried safely with this disease. Then after that we're gonna go through that camp and try to vaccinate the whole camp. Probeer dit nou so min as moontlik in hierdie area hou. En het probeer hier kamp, dat dit net hier moet wees en nie buite, maar omdat ons in 'n gemeenskap is dit baie moeilik. Want die kinders wat oor en weer beweeg en dit maak dit vir ons bitter moeilik om die ding regtig op te slaan. Maar ons hoop dat ons dit gaan regkry. Daar lê die ander ene. Gemeenskapboerdery wat ons 'n kampanie gemaak het. Dit was ons mik-aim om die kinders van matriek te support en hulle tersiêre vlakke deur te druk, want dit is waar ons lek. Dit is hoekom ons die geweld kry in ons plek, want daar is nie genoegsame kapitaal om ons kinders verder te vat ter tersiêre vlak nie. Dis die hoofrede hoekom ons hierdie kampanie bymekaar laat kom het, om dit te moontlik te maak vir die kinders en vir die jeug. She's still young. She haven't got a baby yet. It hurt us all. But the thing that we must keep in mind is always to be strong and keep focus on what is forward, not behind you. Keep your eyes onto the Lord and we all pray for a better tomorrow. In hulle voete was met baie kaap.
We have huge industrial farmers in the Kouga area that are actually exporting milk. We've got Woodlands Dairy, our main factory, that could be affected in their economy with this disease. So it is important that we contain it right there. And we're all taking hands to make sure that this disease don't spread any further. I'm not even saying any further than Humansdorp, because in Humansdorp you have the KwaNomzamo area and you have the other farmers surrounding right up to Oyster Bay. So we cannot afford to let this disease leave that area. Hence it's so important that residents stay away from this area. Hence it is important that we don't allow our children to play in this area, because any moving human being or animal can carry this disease, and that is important to realize. The less movement we have, the better chance we have to fight. So we're trying to contain it, and that is why we have erected in the Kruisvan area, we've erected inspection points that is supported by SAPS, by law enforcement, by health officials, to actually ensure that we do proper sanitation of vehicles, sanitation of people that need to leave the area and come back. This morning we've put some of the farmers on the internal WhatsApp group, so the communication that we put out, instructions coming from the state that can reach them faster, so that they can immediately know there's a change of plan, or this needs to happen, or another containment areas have been identified, or feed is on its way and it will be arriving in the next hour. You need to get into the game, and you need to understand that that is your responsibility and your role. As much as state is supporting this whole program, as much as state is putting vaccines in place and people to do the vaccinations in place, your responsibility as a farmer, you are responsible directly for your own herd of cattle. And the only way you can do that is if you become a stakeholder. The provincial government also made available the Department of Agricultural monitoring teams. So those monitoring teams are not just working in the quarantine area anymore. They are now monitoring outside their quarantine area. So they are monitoring the entire Humansdorp area at the moment so that we can pick up fast if there's a problem developing somewhere else in Humansdorp, so that we can then be more proactive than we ever even have been now, up till now. So cooperation, patience, prayers are important so that we can maintain what we're doing and so that we can support the government, support the Minister of Agriculture that is trying to really restrict the national epidemic.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.